Now you can find the right shots faster than ever using AI-powered media intelligence that automatically recognizes the content of your clips, such as objects, locations, camera angles, and more, in seconds. With the new search panel, use natural language to find imagery, spoken words, or content with embedded metadata like shoot date or camera type, all at the same time. Quickly scrub through thumbnails or scroll through transcripts. You'll get search results from across all open projects. You can jump to relevant moments in the source monitor or edit a result straight into the timeline.
And we're in California, so hydration is key.
Media intelligence analysis is faster than real time and runs locally on your device. No internet connection required. With AI-based media intelligence and the new search panel, you'll spend less time hunting for the perfect clip and more time editing your story. Coming soon to Premiere Pro. Download and try it in beta today.